In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make front ends in Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the workspace, describe what you want, send your request, and fine-tune the results in the editor. Start by heading to the Base4 app in your browser. This takes you into the workspace where all your projects live. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so your work is saved. Once the app loads, look to the left sidebar and click Home. This is the central place where you can start new builds and access the tools for generating front ends from natural language. On the home view, find the field labeled Describe the app you want to create and click into it. This is where you tell Base44 what you want built. Think of it as a conversation starter with the builder. The clearer your description, the better the generated UI will be. Now, type your prompt for the front end you want. Be specific and practical. Include the kind of page or pages you need, the main components you expect, and any important behaviors. For example, you might mention a header with navigation, a hero section, a data table with sorting, or a form with validation. If there's a visual style you're aiming for, mention that too. Things like a light theme, spacious layout, or accent colors. Short sentences and concrete nouns work best. Before you submit, click Highlight. This tool helps you see what the system is focusing on in your prompt. If the highlight draws attention to the right features, like buttons, forms, or tables, you're in good shape. If it emphasizes the wrong ideas, tweak your wording so the essential parts stand out more clearly, then use Highlight again to confirm. When you're satisfied, click Send. This submits your prompt to the builder. You'll see it begin processing and assembling the front end based on your description. Give it a moment to load. Generation time can vary depending on the complexity of your request. As soon as the preview appears, you can make edits from the left side of the editor. Use that panel to adjust layout, rename sections, swap components, and tweak properties like spacing, colors, and typography. Small focus changes work best. Update a label, change a button style, or refine the structure of a section. Watch the preview update so you can validate each adjustment quickly. If something feels off, return to the panel and iterate. Tighten copy, reorder elements, or refine component settings until it matches your intent. That's it. You've opened Base44, described your front end, used Highlight to validate your prompt, sent the request, and refined the result using the left side editor.